Good afternoon, sir.
After
Ano po ang grassroots development program ng inyong Football Association sa Compostela? What have you planned for the youth in Compostela to promote football?
Yes, in Compostela Valley, actually last year, 2012, we have conducted a grassroots development program, particularly kids aging 12 years old and below, particularly 6 years old to 12 years old. We have done that, and this time it is a sort of intervention for the kids who are heavily affected by the Typhoon Bopa, or locally known as Typhoon Pablo. So this time, affected kids from 5 municipalities refused to go back to school already. Some refused to go back to schools already due to some, I should say, parang ubia. So, because of that typhoon. So with this, we intend to have the grassroots program, also with the football festival within next month or later this month or early next month, such that kids will now be would like to go back now to their respective schools.
How about training teachers or training coaches?
Actually, that's part of the grassroots program. Wherein first, we will train our teachers and some enthusiasts as far as coaching is concerned, and later they will now train their kids. In our case, at least we have 60 coaches, teachers, and around 500 kids involved in a certain grassroots development program.
60 coaches, those are already there
Yes.
in Compostela,
Yes.
and you want more.
Yes, I mean every venue or every municipality, we will have a grassroots development program implementation, and in one setting there should be 60, at least 60 teachers and or coaches and 500 kids. Yes.
Okay.
So meaning we are the heavily affected municipalities, 5 municipalities. So in other words, we will be producing 300, more or less 300 coaches, teachers, and around 1,000 of kids. That's the grassroots development program concept.
Okay. And if people out there are interested and would like to get to know more about this, how do they get in touch with you?
Of course, they could get in touch with the Compostela Valley Football Federation Association through this representation.
And what are your contact details, sir? If we may know.
Yes, 0918 965 1404.
Okay. Thank you very much, engineer.
Thank you.